It is once again time for the Law on You with the area's premier attorneys, Greg Fellerman and Brian Corcoran. It's nice that we brought the bow tie back, Greg.
Yes,
I'm always thrilled to be here. You know that.
And you know, it's also very thrilling because these warmer months bring a lot of people taken to the outdoors. And one of the things that I think a lot of us have in common is we visit our family members in the cemeteries. So Brian, something is going on, isn't it?
Yeah, Memorial Day is coming up, and that sees a lot of traffic in the local cemeteries. People go to see their deceased loved ones. And I've had some cases, in fact, I'm probably the only person in northeastern Pennsylvania who does these cases, where tombstones had fallen on people and injured them seriously, and across the country they've killed some people. You have to realize the cemeteries in this local area are hundreds of years old, and these things have been out in the weather, the tombstones, and this is an example of one right here that fell over. These things weigh thousands of pounds, and they could seriously injure people who poke around. And I would hate to get a call after Memorial Day saying that somebody's been injured. And the people who are injured a lot are young children because they run around, they're busy, and they like to climb on these things, and they tip over. So this is a very serious maintenance issues for local cemeteries. And I've spoken to some local cemeteries, and there's policies in Scotland where I've spoken to people there where they tip these tombstones over. So this is literally an accident waiting to happen.
Yeah, and it's interesting. Like Brian's handled a few of these cases. You would never think people get hurt or killed in these cemeteries, and unfortunately, they're a dangerous place. So if you're there with your children, please keep an eye on them. And then for the cemetery owners, make sure you're doing your maintenance, because we don't want to have to sue you, but if someone gets hurt, that's what's going to happen. People are getting hurt and killed. These things weigh thousands of pounds.
If you wanted your question answered, just visit the website or give the hotline a call.